Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to talk about the FoneMonitor service. So basically FoneMonitor.com service allows you to track and monitor any Android smartphone or iPhone. This service is designed for parents who want to track and monitor their children for safety purposes, or for employers who want to track and monitor their employees for business purposes. So in this video I want to talk about some of the details of the FoneMonitor service and how it allows you to track and monitor activities such as text messages, calls, location, photos, and videos, etc. on any smartphone you wish to monitor. First step is to go to the actual website FoneMonitor.com and create an account. Now you do have the option to actually do a free trial to see exactly how it works, or you can purchase one of the available plans they offer if you end up liking what you see. Now let's talk about step number 2. For step number 2, you will need to have access to the smartphone you want to track, whether it is your children's smartphone or your employees. And again, it can be an Android smartphone or an iPhone. On the smartphone that you want to track, simply go to FoneMonitor.net in a browser and swipe to install the FoneMonitor app. Once you install the app, follow the simple instructions to activate FoneMonitor on that smartphone. Now obviously activating the FoneMonitor app on any given smartphone binds it with the FoneMonitor account you just made on the website. Now once everything is set on your smartphone, the app is going to run in the background 24/7 as a hidden system process. Now the final step is to go to FoneMonitor.com and log in to your account. And that's where you will be able to start tracking and monitoring the smartphone you activated in step number 2. Now, if you do have multiple children or employees, that's not a problem. You can add and monitor as many smartphones as you want using FoneMonitor. Alright, so when you go into FoneMonitor.com and you log into your account, you will see the phones that you're tracking in this dashboard here. Now we're only tracking one phone here in this example here. This is just a demo, a live demo. And basically, as you can see on the side, you have access to all these different things that you can see what's happening about. And of course, you do have an overview here. You get to see the new calls that were made, the new messages that were received, also the most called contacts, most messaged contacts, and also the location of the actual person, at least the last known location. But again, if you go into the details, like if you click on calls, you can see a full list of who called, from what number, what was the duration of the call, even whether or not if it was an incoming or outgoing call, as well as the date and time. So you really get some really precise, detailed information. You can go to contacts, see your kids' contacts or your employees' contacts. You can also get the same amount of detail in their messages application, so you can see the full conversations. You can go to the social apps. You can track WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat, Skype, all these different things over here. And of course, you can go to the locations. And like I said, it's going to give you, if it can, the last known location of that person with a nice history over here. So you can see their position over time. And of course, you can also see their photos, if they have any, their videos. You have access to a keylogger, so you can see what they were typing on their phone in certain apps. And of course, you can see their app activity, which shows you what app they use, how many times, for how long. So these things give a great idea to parents and employers as to what is happening on the other side. All right, but this is the dashboard that you will be able to log in and track all the phones. Okay, again, it doesn't have to be one phone. It could be many other phones. Now, this is an Android demo. You can also, if I click here, it says see iOS. That's the Apple for iPhones. So you can also get the same information on an Apple iPhone, as you can see, with the same options on the side over here. Now, folks over at FoneMonitor.com are currently running a campaign which will automatically enter you into a giveaway to win a GoPro Hero 5 action camera for free. All you have to do is to take a very short quiz on their website and boom, you're in. I will drop a link to that short quiz in the description box down below, so go check it out and complete for a chance to win a GoPro Hero 5. Now this campaign, this quiz is going to end soon, so please do it as soon as possible if you do want to win. And that brings us to the end of this video. And of course, if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them down below in the description box. And of course, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH and give this video a thumbs up. Guys, have a fantastic day till the next time.